morning to all. My name is Piriyathan. I am studying 9th class at the Sri ZPHS Trail, Amamai district, Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning to all. My name is Piriyathan. I am studying 9th class in ZPHS on my district, Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning to all. My name is Sheikh Sam. I am studying 9th class at ZPHS High School, Chitpur, Andhra Pradesh.
We are submit the project alarm buzzer. Door alarm project. The present device is useful to find out the thieves and persons approaching the house. Sensors connected with the buzzer alarm will sound and alert the owners why any person tries to move inside. Sensors was connected with sound buzzer and fixed to door. Future plan. In future, we improved this device to be connected with camera and the message will be sent to owner's mobile. Thank you all. Thanks to School Innovation Marathon 2020.
This device works like this.